Welcome to the Knackler's workshop. I'm Paul. Today we're going to look at the Watchmakers spindle for the Emco Unimat SL Lathe. Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. So what we're going to look at today is the Watchmakers spindle for the Unimat SL Lathe. The spindle takes 8mm 𝐿𝐻𝐿𝐒 collets. I believe there are two main types of collets used in watchmaking world. The Geneva, which is a lighter format collet, and the WW, which is a heavier one. The WW stands for Webster Wickham and dates from around the 1889. But there's far more detail around these if you're interested on www.lathes.co.uk. So let's have a bit of a look at this thing. So it's a complete replacement spindle for the to fit into the Unimat SL Lathe. So it's a whole sealed unit with the bearings in. You've got the taper for the collet to go in. So we've got a collet, fits in, and we have a drawbar that goes in and tightens the collets up. So pretty much the same as on most watchmakers lathes. This one, as always, an eBay find. It's got a few markings on this case, which I think I can probably polish out. Runs fairly well, but the drawbar is it's a bit splayed at the end from use, but you know, as with all this stuff, it's maybe up to 70 years old, so it's not surprising. But again, that I think I can either make a new one or do something with that. I don't think it's actually causing a problem, but it'd be nice for it to be right. There's a small grub screw there, so you can actually take it off the hand wheel. So yeah, definitely something that can be improved upon if I feel I need to. The collets, I don't know whether I can get them a bit closer. Let's see if it. No, I'll take. Oh yeah, that's a bit. Oh, I'm doing well there. That's better, isn't it? So the collets come, there are about 50 different sizes, the standard, or between 50 and 60, the standard size. And they go, but there are maybe another 10 sizes, so you can probably get up to 70 different ones. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 came with it. They're not massively, they all look pretty worn and tired. And if you compare them with, say, like they're very different, the look between an ER16 collet, you know, because it's the watchmaker's one, and these go down to tremendously small sizes to hold stuff in. I've spoken to to Lance and Patrick over at 𝐔𝐿𝐄𝐄 to see if they can give me some advice on where I can purchase these at a reasonable price. I mean, Shoreline do a full set for about £1,000 UK pounds, which is definitely outside of my my budget. So, but anyway, hopefully the guys at 𝐒𝐿𝐄𝐄 might come up with an idea or two. Yeah, it does seems in quite good condition. I think one of the drawbacks of putting this one into the SL lathe is it's just got a a standard nut on here on the end, but on my one I've got a different nut which incorporates a pulley which allows you to have an additional drive belt to allow for the automatic feed. So if this is fitted, then the automatic feed won't work. But actually, I mean, on such a small lathe, I'm not too sure how useful the automatic feed is. So I'm not sure that would be a great loss. So yeah, and well, just no. Well, that's really about it. Sort of on the collets. It is a shame that the collets are quite weary, really. But these are sort of fairly sought after and very different from the standard collets that we looked at in the one of the other previous videos. So I think this will be, by having both of them, I think I probably can cover most bases. The biggest challenge really is getting the actual collets at a reasonable price. But I'm sure if I'm patient and I search, I'll find something. So I hope you guys found that useful. Just a little review of the Watchmakers spindle for the Unimat SL. So as always, stay happy, strong and healthy, and cheerio.